Okay. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off by kind of mattifying my eyebrows. I like to do this step just to make sure that as I'm putting on eyebrow product that it's not going. Okay, let's just move down a little bit. I think that's better. Just to make sure that as I'm putting on my eyebrow products, that my eyebrow products are not going to be moving around because of sweat or oils, etc. I'm going to be going in with the Revlon Candid anti-pollution setting powder just to kind of set my eyebrows. I've been changing the steps that I do my makeup so often lately that I don't know which one I want to do first. So I think I'm gonna just start with my eyeshadow because I know what I want to do with my eyeshadow. I'm going to be going in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, which is this baby over here. If my camera could just focus, there you go. I really like this stuff because I have sensitive eyes, and I found that this works better than using concealer for me. Touch wood, because sometimes my eyes still kind of water a little bit. So I'm going to be using this brush over here. It doesn't have a name. As you can see, it's not really the highest quality brush you can get, but you know what? I'm going to be using this to put eyeshadow all over my lid, so I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter. The Zulu Palette by Juvia's is what I'm using right now, and I'm going to be going in with this yellow baby over here. I don't think it has a name. None of these have names in this palette. Okay, and then we're just going to be going with that all over our lid. Just had to move my camera there a little because I've seen that there's better lighting coming from this side of my room. So that's the yellow that I've been using all over my lid. I'm obviously going to be speeding up the process of blending, but oh my goodness, I cannot emphasize enough. Blend, girl, like blend, okay? It's gonna take you a while, but trust me, you will thank yourself when you finally get to the end result. As a result of blending, be patient. To make sure that the orange picks up even more than it normally would, I'm gonna go back in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Now I'm gonna be going back into the Zulu Palette, and I'm going to be using this orange color over here on my eyelid. Yes. I've got my eyeshadow on, and this is the reason why now my makeup routine doesn't make sense, because I now have to choose whether I want to put on lashes first or whether I want to do my brows. If I do my brows, I can't put on if I do my lashes, I can't do my brows properly. So it gets confusing at this point, but you know what, really guys, makeup is all about experimenting. So really I say YOLO, do whatever it is you want, change up your technique every now and again, it won't kill you. Okay, for my eyes I'm going to be using the Gosh Rebel Eyes Lengthening Mascara, which is this baby over here. I like to put mascara on my eyes before I put on my lashes. I just find that it makes the process easier, and it also helps your lashes blend in better. Hey, yeah, I know, just one lash is done, but I've just realized that I'm running behind time. I've got to be somewhere in about an hour or so, and as you can see, my hair's not done, so we're just gonna skip on over and wait for my lash to dry while I put on some foundation. Today I'm going to be mixing these two foundations over here, which is the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear and the Can't Stop Won't Stop. I love mixing these two foundations together because I feel like it gives you just like the best finish. And it's also because this foundation is too dark, a shade too dark, this foundation is a shade too light, so I find that mixing them together really helps give you that the shade that I'm supposed to get, or the shade that I'm supposed to be. For primer, I'm going to be using the Revlon Rose Glow Primer. I have been loving this primer. I can't wait for summer so that I can like glow, like proper glowy shine happening. Yes, I mean, just just look at this finish. Just look at it. It's not like, I think when I mix the two together, like it just does the things, guys. Do I need to explain? I don't think so. No. I don't need to explain. I'm going to be going in with concealer under my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Just going to be brightening my under eye with this Maybelline Fit Me. I can never get that line straight, shame. So I don't even try anymore. Okay, it is what it is. I'll fix it with the sponge. I am going to be contouring, and to contour today I'm going to be using the Avon True Color Flawless Mattifying Pressed Powder in the shade Neutral Deep. No, I don't want this one. This is Neutral Medium Deep. I want Neutral Deep. Hold up. Set my face, I'm going in with the Revlon Candid setting powder. This stuff, guys, deserves a video of its own because wow, like look at that. Look at how this side you have shine so you can still see my bags very visibly, and then on the other side it's like it completely just masks that away. Yes, I love it. Just going to wipe some of that away because I got a bit heavy-handed, a little too friendly with the setting powder. Coming along. For blush, I'm going to be going in to my Juvia's palette, and I'm going to be using the color Ada. Okay, listen, I'm going to show you this palette and then you're not going to judge me because we don't do that around here. Okay, I'm going to be using this color over here. Don't judge me. It happens when you travel with palettes and you don't secure them. I'm going to be going in with that eyeshadow color over there for my blush color. I'm now going to be going into the bottom of my lashes. I know my routine today is so messed up, but that's because I'm now officially late. So I'm just trying to like do everything that I need to do, not necessarily in the order that I normally do it. But I'm going to be going into my bottom lashes with some mascara primer, eyeliner primer, eyeshadow, eyelash primer, eyelash primer, okay? While that dries, I'm going to be going in with highlighter. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Pearl Lights by Makeup Revolution. Duh. I have highlighted my entire past and future and present tense. Like, wow, okay, this is overdose. Let me put this down, okay, before I cause problems. Yeah, yeah. Mascara, once again, going to be going in with the Gosh Mascara, Rebel Eyes. Yeah, and then I think we're done. After this is just lips and setting spray. We're almost there, and I think we're gonna be on time. Look at that difference. Look at that. Guys, bottom lashes are so important. Ooh, yeah. Yes. For lip gloss or lips, I'm going to be going in with my Kiki Beauty Makeup Ready Rose Wax Lip Balm first of all, just to kind of prime everything and prep my lips for what's about to go down, okay? Because it's about to go down. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on there, not too much. And then I'm going to be lining my eyes. No, but I mean my eyes are beautiful, but they're already done, darling. I'm going to be lining my lips rather with the Essence Long Lasting Hot Chocolate Eye Pencil. This is an eye pencil, but I use it as a lip liner, like I've always said, and I'll say till the death of me. Use what you have, babes. You don't have to go buy 12,000 pieces of makeup, okay? You've got eyeliner that can be used as lip liner. Use it. It's never that deep. Like a true queen. Yes. Why am I feeling myself so much today? Like, what's happening? Who am I? Who am I? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who am I? What am I doing? What have I done? A lot. For my lips, I'm going to be going in with the Almay Velvet Foil Cream Shadow. Now I know what you may be asking. Am I putting eyeshadow on my lips? Girl, yes I am. Why? Because I can. I mean, it's really that simple. It's really that simple. I love this stuff. I love the way it looks on my eyes, and I love the way it looks on my lips. So sometimes I use it as lipstick. Shoot me, huh? Who is the makeup police? Because I don't listen to them. They don't make rules for me. I mean, look at how it looks. Why would I not do that? Why would you not make this move when it makes so much sense, sis? Okay, but if you do want a review on the eyeshadows as eyeshadows, fine, I'll do that for you. Just leave a comment in the comment section below. Otherwise, this is everything done. We just need to obviously set everything in motion. For setting spray, I'm going to be using the new Maybelline setting spray that I found the other day at, oh, here it is. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lasting Fix Makeup Setting Spray. Just going to shake that a little. I love this spray nozzle here. It's like a perfume spray nozzle. I don't know how to describe it, but I love it, okay? Because I have used some spray nozzles, but I'm just like, did you? The whole point of this is to spray the set, and it's not spraying properly. One job. This does the job. Why I must continuously go overboard, but I mean the results are just amazing, so I'm not gonna stop anytime soon. Oh my goodness, who is that? Yes. Okay, I am just gonna do my hair quickly. There will be a hair tutorial on this hairstyle that I'm gonna come at you with just now, but that's the makeup done. I will be right back. And that was it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Like I said, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave this channel, and don't forget to watch another video before you leave. So watch a video right here and leave a comment before you go. But video right here, right here. Oh, hairstyle video is coming soon, so subscribe. Bye.